Okay, so the next thing we're going to be doing is copying an angle. So just be cognizant that copying an angle doesn't necessarily mean we're going to take the entire thing, like the same size, and move it down. Angle just means that you want the distance from like here to here, an angle, right, to be the exact same in our next version. So you may find that the line segment is a little shorter, a little longer. It's okay. So when you're copying an angle, this is angle A, B, C, just saying it in order. First thing you do is just start by making another point somewhere. Since this is B, second version is B prime, so we're gonna create a B and a prime. And you just make a line. So, I mean, you're copying it, you want it to look the same. This part, you don't really have to measure, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna make mine longer because I'm extra. And in this case, we're gonna put C prime at the bottom because that's what's labeled there. So, next thing you wanna do, remember we're copying an angle, right? So we're going to create an arc. An arc just means kind of like a arc from one line segment or one ray to the other ray. Just an arc. So now we're gonna do, just slide it, don't move anything, and you're gonna create that same arc from here to here. I make mine a little wider just because when you're dealing with right angles and obtuse angles, like right and big angles, it gets a little confusing, so I just made it a little bigger. Okay, so next thing, what I do is I make little X's so you know what you have to measure between, and I'm gonna measure the distance between here and here, like the distance between the arc that we made. So once you measure it, don't move anything, like don't change the distance of the slider. What I do is flip it, and we want to make an X, Y and X, because that means something's gonna cross. And now that we have that cross right there, we create this, our point, and now we can connect our vertex. Vertex is the point in the middle where the rays or the lines meet, and that is your copied angle. And important, make sure you always label, so A prime, B prime, C prime, because it's the second version.